Anchor Hocking 91016L 12 5 ounces glass measuring glass. Set of 2. Clear. Anchor Hocking graduated measuring glass, set of 2. Top reviews from the United States. Love these, worth it. I received one of these as a gift years ago, and it is perfect for measuring accurately for baking and for making cocktails. Over the years, the markings got worn off by the dishwasher. In looking to replace it, I decided to go back to this same brand, even though I know the markings will wear off over time, because the 2-pack of this is still cheaper than or the same price as a single of other things that still may wear off or not, and I know this is exactly what I want. I love that it has every type of measurement in tiny increments. Individual teaspoons, tablespoons, cups, milliliter. And that its max capacity is over half cup. This is a must-have kitchen item that takes up so little space compared to how much I use it.